show you guys how to factory reset a Sony smart TV. This is with Google TV. How to factory reset it without using a remote. So you want to basically do this if you're not able to navigate to do the factory reset through the settings, or maybe your screen is glitching, or maybe you have a black screen or whatnot. But just remember, after you do the factory reset, in order to set up, you will need a remote. So first thing I want to mention is, if you look on your TV, on the bottom of mine where my Sony logo is, right below it, I have this little button here. Okay, this button here basically brings up this menu here: power, volume up, volume down, and so on. Okay, so we need to use this button. So if you don't have this button here, look on the left side, right side, look a little bit behind the TV as well. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to go ahead and unplug it, wait 3 seconds, plug it back in, and as soon as I plug it back in, I'm going to press and hold this little button here. I'm going to keep on holding until I see a white light here. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do this together. Okay, so here's the plug here. Let me pull it out, wait 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Let me just keep my finger right on there, and I'm going to plug it in. Now press and hold the button. Press and hold till I see like a white line here. Usually takes about 10 or 15 seconds. Oh, white light right there. Now go ahead and let go. And it should start erasing, doing the factory reset here. It says erasing right there. Now what's going to happen is the TV is going to restart a few times, so you just need to be patient with this part here. And there we go. So you should be at the welcome screen, and your remote, original remote, should be paired. Okay, good luck guys.